Welcome to Nicotine Academy podcast series by Chemnovatic. Today we will present a topic that affects, a lot of vape businesses in Europe and increasingly across the globe, which is e-liquid excise tax.
While excise tax might sound like just another regulation, in reality, it's a critical element shaping how e-liquid products are produced, distributed, and sold. It's quite a big deal.
And it's not just about tax payments, is it? I mean, it impacts infrastructure, logistics, product labeling, and even the way you manage your supply chain. It's quite far-reaching.
Exactly. And that's precisely why at Chemnovatic we've developed what we call excise tax ready solutions to help our partners stay compliant and efficient. Excise tax ready solutions, you see, is our all-in-one service package really designed to support clients in every area affected by these excise tax regulations.
So I guess let's start with the absolute basics. What exactly is excise tax in the context of vaping? For someone who's perhaps new to this.
Right, excise tax is a type of indirect tax applied to specific goods, often those considered sensitive from a fiscal or even health perspective. In our case, that includes nicotine-containing and, in some countries, even nicotine-free e-liquids. So, yeah, quite broad.
And this tax is usually applied per milliliter, right? It's not per puff, is it?
Correct. It's definitely per milliliter. For example, in Poland, the excise duty for e-liquids, it actually started at 0.55 PLN per milliliter and has increased to 0.96 PLN in 2025, while in 2026, it's set to reach 1.44 PLN per milliliter. In euro, it is 0.23 euro in 2025, while in 2026, it is going to be 0.34 euro per milliliter. So, you see it goes up.
Wow. So how does excise tax affect the day-to-day operations of a vape business? I mean, what's the practical implication?
Well, to legally produce or store excise goods, you need a tax warehouse, which is a regulated zone under customs supervision. Chemnovatic, for instance, operates one of the largest facilities dedicated to vape products in Central Europe. So it's a pretty big deal.
And that's where excise tax ready solutions come in then?
Exactly. Our excise tax ready solutions include everything from legal production and storage to excise band application, contract manufacturing, TPD registration, and regulatory consulting. So quite comprehensive, if I may say so myself.
Okay, so let's talk about banderoles. What's their role in all of this? I always picture little stamps, you know?
You're pretty much right. Banderoles are excise stamps required on retail-ready products. They prove the product has been legally declared and taxed. In Poland and some other EU countries, they're mandatory. Absolutely.
So Chemnovatic handles the banderole logistics even for foreign markets? That's quite a feat.
Yes. We can request and apply local banderoles or apply ones provided by our clients for other EU countries. It's all done in our tax warehouse. It's quite a smooth process.
It sounds like having access to Chemnovatic's infrastructure can really reduce complexity for businesses then.
Absolutely. You avoid upfront tax payments, reduce operational costs, and ensure full regulatory compliance. Plus, we offer scalable production starting from 5,000 units and custom packaging. So it's quite a flexible setup.
And if someone doesn't have a tax warehouse, what then? Is it a major hurdle?
Well, they need to prepay excise tax before manufacturing. That locks up capital and limits flexibility. So that's why our setup is such a game changer for our partners. It really changes the game.
And how about inspections? Any advice for clients on that front? I imagine those can be a bit daunting.
My advice is always to be cooperative and prepared. Customs officers have the right to check documentation, product labeling, and even take samples. Chemnovatic is regularly audited, so we're ready, and we help our clients be ready too. So no surprises there.
So what does it really take to stay compliant with excise regulations? I mean, beyond just cooperating with inspectors.
You need a licensed tax warehouse, a system for banderole application, compliant production processes, proper documentation, and full alignment with customs procedures. It's quite a list.
And Chemnovatic's Excise Tax Ready Solutions package offers all of that in one place. It's a comprehensive solution that removes complexity and just lets you focus on your core business, which is quite handy. We hope this episode helped clarify some of the challenges and solutions around excise compliance. It's a complex topic, but understanding the fundamentals is the first step to staying ahead. At the Chemnovatic production plant in an excise warehouse, we produce several of the largest e-liquid brands in Poland and the Czech Republic. We produce over 3 million bottles of e-liquids per month. Our multi-million excise security allows us to be fully operational even with much greater production needs. It is one of the largest in all of Central Europe. We not only produce e-liquids in excise conditions, but we also develop recipes for them. E-liquids that we produce have won many awards at various international industry competitions.
And if you're looking for a partner to guide you through it all, production, labeling, documentation, compliance, Chemnovatic is here to support you. We really aim to make it easier.
Exactly. Thanks for the conversation today.
Always a pleasure. Excise tax can seem overwhelming, but with the right tools and guidance, it becomes manageable. We truly believe that.
If you have any questions about excise compliance or want to learn more about how our Excise Tax Ready services can support your business, feel free to leave a comment or contact us directly at sales@chemnovatic.com. We'd love to hear from you.
We're here to help you navigate the regulatory maze efficiently, safely, and legally. That's our promise.
Thanks for tuning in to Nicotine Academy podcast series by Chemnovatic. Until next time, take care and stay curious.